Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tutorial. I am Pawan. Today I am going to show you how to fix the error of Motorola can't boot into system or Twrp recovery after flashing custom ROM. If you had this error, you need to reflash your original ROM for fix this error. But after watching this tutorial, you will be able to fix this problem without flashing your original ROM once again. So let's get started and see how to do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification net and join me. To boot onto your Fastboot mode from your phone, then you need to press your volume up key, volume down key and power key together until your device will be going to a black screen. As soon as then you need to press your volume down key and power key together from releasing other all keys. Then you can go to these sites and install these drivers on your PC. Then you need to install universal ADB drivers and you need to download and install these drivers from clicking here. Then you can install these drivers into your system path, I mean your local disk C, from giving administrator access to the command performed. You need to type yes in the installing process. I'm not going to show you because this video is going too far if I showed that. So when it came to here, you can find this folder from reaching local disk C ADB. If you can't find this folder, you can simply search on here like this ADB. So then you will be able to find this ADB exe. Then you can right clicking on that exe and go to open file location option. Then we are here. Now you need to press your shift key on your keyboard and while pressing on that key, then you need to right click on this path like this. Then you can go to open PowerShell window here option. Otherwise you can go to open your CMD window here. So you can see your PowerShell window like this. Then you need to unplug all the device and plug your device which you want to fix the error. So then you need to type here Fastboot space devices. Now you can see all the device which you plug it to your PC. Then once again you need to type Fastboot here. Then space erase. This will delete all the data which encoded in your phone, including your pictures, images and all the data encoded in your phone number and necessary all data will be formatted after doing this. But you can do this before going to a flashing process of your original ROM. Fastboot erase space user data. Then you can type on like this. Then you need to press enter. Now your user data will be deleted. Then you need to type again Fastboot erase, Fastboot space erase space cache. Then you need to tap again yes. Then you can boot your phone into your system from rebooting.